Okay, so here sixth one, once we complete the seventh problem, I'll explain you sixth problem, how you have to do it. Now enter the following. Now as of now I'm telling you the seventh problem. I'm telling you the seventh solution. Now, first one he said is enter the following transactions in 3-column cash book of Sunil and balance the same as on 31st December 2013. He said 31st Jan, actually it's not December because he gave transactions for Jan. Now, first one, Jan 1st, cash in hand, cash at bank. Cash is in the hand as well as it's in the bank, it seems. So it's a receipt or a payment?
Receipt, ma'am.
Receipt.
To balance
It's
broke
a
down.
opening balance receipt. So to balance brought down. So in the cash, how much amount is there? 5,400. And in the bank, I had 1,475. Then come down to the next. Issued a check to Shaker. Discount allowed. Sorry, discount received. Issued a check. Issued a check means what?
Payment, ma'am.
Payment, right? It's a payment. Issued a check means it's a payment. So it will come on which side?
Credit side.
Credit side.
Credit side.
చెక్ పేమెంట్ చేసినట్టు సో అది క్రెడిట్ లో వస్తుంది మనకి సో ఏమని రాస్తాము బై
Shaker.
యా బై శేఖర్ we are going to write Jan 2nd. So we are going to write by Shaker. Now read once again what he said. Is it check or a cash? Issued a check to Shaker, he said. So issued a check to Shaker means it's a
Bank.
yeah, bank. Now he also said discount receipt. So first we'll fill the discount column, that is 150, and then in the bank column I'll write as 850.
850.
Then paid salaries.
Credit side, ma'am.
Yeah, again
Credit
it is a
side.
payment, so credit
It's a
side.
payment.
Payments.
So what will write? By
By salary account.
yeah, by salaries. Now did he say
Salary.
check here?
No, ma'am. Cash
So
column.
which column?
Cash column.
Cash column. How much? Sorry, it's 1150.
1,000.
Next, cash received from sale of investments 4,900. Okay, first I'll read first sentence. Cash received from sale of investments. Cash received means what?
Receipts.
Receipt.
Yeah,
Receipts,
be
ma'am.
louder, be louder. You are correct. It's a receipt
Receipt.
only. So receipt means will be on which side? Debit or credit?
Debit side.
Debit side. It will be on the debit side.
Debit side.
1 second. So it's on which side, Nana? Debit side. So
Debit
first
side.
what I'll write, why I got a cash? I got because of sale of investment. So that's why first I'll write
Of
as
investment.
two investments
Means
and bracket lo I'll write sales.
sale.
Okay. Now please go back again. Mali proper ga amount column lo rayali adi teliyali kada. So that's why. Cash received from sale of investment. So it's a receipt we posted on the debit side. Now come down to the next part. Cash received from sale of investment is 4,900. How much total amount?
4,000.
Out of which 4,900 was a total amount. Out of which ante అందులో నుండి out of which 1,250 was deposited into the bank. So 4,900 I received total amount. But in this one, he said 1,250 I deposited into the bank, it seems. 1,250 I have deposited into the bank. So that means from 4,900, 1,250 went to the bank and balance is still in the form of cash only.
Cash.
Okay, understand? So some may get a doubt. Madam, cash deposited into bank means it's almost sounding like a contra entry, no? Because what he said was deposited into bank annadu. So when he said cash was deposited into bank and again somewhere you may get a doubt that it sounds like a contra entry. But here I'm not taking as a contra entry. Okay, why it is so? Let me tell you why it is so. It's not a contra entry because now, for example, I am selling a let us assume I am actually into the sales of some kind of groceries or something like that. So I have went and my customer has come and he purchased around let us assume 5,000 worth of goods with me or 4,000 worth of goods with me. So as I have asked him to pay me the cash, so that person actually carried only 2,500 with him. Actually, he shopped for 4,000, but he has cash only how much? 2,500. Now, how much is the balance he has to pay me? 1,500, no? 1,500. So he said, as I have only liquid cash of 2,500, the rest, which is 1,500, I'll pay you through online cash payment, means Google Pay or Phone Pay, whatever it is. So our total of 4,000 was a bill and he paid 2,500 in cash and balance is how much? 1,500 in the form of online, means directly it went to which account? Bank account.
Bank account.
Okay, understood. So in this case, contra avutunda? No. Why it will not be contra? Let me explain you with one more entry. That is, this entry, usually how it will be is, we received a cash account debit. How much? 3,650. Adi enduku cheptanu. And bank account debit, which is 1,250. By selling what? To investments, which is 4,900. So total investment sold were for 4,900. In that 1,250 was deposited into the bank and cash balance cash ఏం చేసాము 3,650 అనేది cash లో వేసేసాం. So contra ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? When cash and the bank both are standing on a opposite direction. అంటే cash account debit to bank అని రావాలి లేదా bank account debit to cash అని రావాలి. In such case it will be a contract. But here what is happening? Is they are standing on opposite sides or are standing on the same line?
Standing on same line, ma'am.
So how come it will be a contra? It cannot be a contra, no? There is no chance of having a contra in this one. Right? That is the reason we are directly writing as two investments అని రాసేసి. So first బ్యాంక్ కాలంలో 1,250 అయితే బ్యాలెన్స్ 3,650 వస్తుంది. కావాల్సి వస్తే చూడండి నాన్న, 4,900 మైనస్ యూ డూ ఇట్ 1,250, యూ విల్ గెట్ 3,650. జస్ట్ క్రాస్ చెక్ ఇట్. యూ గాట్ ఇట్ సేమ్? ఓకే, ఓకేనా? Now is this clear? No, this one is very much clear for you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, so I'll read once again. I'll read. Yeah, that's what. Once again, I'll tell you. Cash received from sale of investment. So, ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ గా చెప్తాను. ఇప్పుడు డెప్త్ గా చెప్పాను. ఇప్పుడు సింపుల్ వన్ లైన్ లో చెప్పేస్తాను చూడండి. Cash received from sale of investments 4,900 అయితే total amount we received is 4,900, out of which 1,250 is in the bank, is it? So, put it into the bank, is it? So, 4,900 lo first I have kept 1,250 into the bank. Then I have only 3 columns: discount, cash or a bank. So bank లో పెట్టేసిన తర్వాత మిగతా బ్యాలెన్స్ డిఫాల్ట్ ఎందులో వేయాలి? ఇప్పుడు డిస్కౌంట్ లో అయితే వేయలేము. సో విచ్ కాలమ్?
Cash column.
క్యాష్ కాలమ్ లో బ్యాలెన్స్ అమౌంట్ వేసేసాం. ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, next, received from Vikram a check of 775 in settlement of his account, is it? First read the transaction. It's a receipt or a payment. Received from Vikram. Receipt. And it will be on which side?
Bank column.
Yeah, bank column.
Debit side.
Debit side.
Debit side, ma'am.
Yeah, bank column, debit side. So what is the date here? 6th. So from whom I am receiving, ma? What I'll write here? To Vikram. Now you tell me whatever you said, Likita. It's a bank column because he said received from Vikram a check. So check means which column?
Bank column.
Bank column. Right. Now, actual gamma, he said 775 in full settlement of the amount of 950 anta. సో 950 రిసీవ్ చేయాల్సింది నేను 775 మాత్రమే వచ్చింది నాకు. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దట్ అమౌంట్ 950 minus 775? How much?
185, ma'am.
కాదు పాప 175.
Yes, ma'am. 175.
175. So 175. Now I'll put a balance of 775 in the bank column. Some may ask out, madam, what discount and adagani చెప్పలేదు కదా మీరు ఎందుకు డిస్కౌంట్ తీసుకున్నారు అని. When I was telling you journal entries also, I have told you. Once again, I'm telling it very, very clearly. Whenever it is settled account ani annappudu, a balance we call as a discount only. Why it is so? Why we have to call it as a discount? Because here what happens in the accounts, every single penny is very much countable for us. A single penny, each and every penny I have to be answerable. I should give a theory for each and every penny in the accounts. So that is the reason that fellow is actually owing me how much? How much actually he has to pay me? 950. But happily I said, you give me 775, I said. So 950 account ni, I have to cancel it with the same amount. 950 entaithe naku vadi ivvalo, I have to cancel opposite by posting opposite also with the same 950. But is that fellow is giving me 950 or only 775?
775.
మరి కంపల్సరీ 175 ఏదో ఒకటి నేను చూపించాలి కదా, క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వదు లేకపోతే అకౌంట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వదు. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ we will transfer that balance amount as discount. Clear?
Yes.
Done?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
move on to the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one. Received from Naidu, discount allowed. Received from Naidu. First tell me it's a receipt or a payment and which side?
Receipt.
It's a receipt
Receipt, ma'am.
and
Debit
on the
side,
debit
ma'am.
side. So what
Side.
I'll write, from whom I'm getting the money? From
Naidu.
Naidu. Now you tell me, cash or a bank? Received from Naidu and discount allowed, he said. Anywhere did he use the word check?
No, ma'am.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
obviously it means it's a
Cash
Cash.
column.
cash. But in before that he said discount allowed is 50 and vade cheppadu.
Yes, ma'am.
So then I'll go with 50. Then withdrawn for personal use by check. Withdrawn for personal use by check. Personal means what?
Drawings.
Drawings.
Ma'am.
Drawings. And I always say that owner have two names. One is capital, which means he is
Capital
getting
one.
something always to the organization. And drawings means something always he is taking away
Taking.
from the organization. So that means it's a benefit or a loss to the organization.
Loss, ma'am.
So obviously which side it will come? Then it's a loss means
Credit side.
yes,
Credit
it will
side.
come on the
Credit
credit
side.
side. So ఏమని రాస్తాం ఇక్కడ మనము?
Credit side.
Yeah. What we'll write on a
By
credit side?
drawings.
Yeah, we'll write as by
By drawing.
drawings.
By
Now
drawings.
what he took, is it cash or a bank? Withdrew
Bank
for personal for check, by check అన్నాడు. So కాబట్టి it's a
Bank.
bank column. 175 only, no? Yeah. Next, bank charges as per passbook. Charges means what? Incomes or expenses? Charges.
Expenses.
It's charges means it's expenses only. So it's
Expenses.
a credit side, payment side. I'll write by bank charges అని రాయాలి కంపల్సరీ. బ్యాంక్ అని కూడా రాయకూడదు, కంపల్సరీ చార్జెస్ అని మెన్షన్ చేయాలి. బ్యాంక్ అని రాస్తే మళ్ళీ అది కాంట్రా లాగా పోతుంది. సో కాబట్టి కంపల్సరీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యాడ్ చార్జెస్ కంపల్సరీ. ఇట్ మీన్స్ బ్యాంక్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్. Now which column? Bank charges as per passbook. But remember, bank charges అంటే bank వాడే మనకి దగ్గర తీసుకుంటాడు. So nowhere it is cash. He will
Bank
not.
column.
He has done a service. So for taking a service, for doing a service, he has to be paid something, no? So every month will he knocks your door and ask me, please, I have done so much of service throughout a month. Please pay 50 rupees or 70 rupees. He comes and asks you? No. What he'll do? He'll directly takes away from which account?
Bank
Our
account.
bank account. So that's why always
Bank
which
account.
account will be affected for bank charges?
Bank column. Bank
Yes,
column.
bank column. Right. Next. Interest received from Manohar. Interest received.
Receipt, ma'am.
Interest received is a receipt. So it will be on which side?
Debit side.
It
Debit
will be on
side.
the debit side. Right. So here, what's the date? 14th. So what will
14th.
write? To Manohara, to interest.
To Manohar.
Manohara
Ma'am,
interest. Manohar important.
Interest.
Interest, yeah.
Interest.
Yes,
Interest,
always
interest.
for me, the transaction is important, not who is giving me. When it comes to the nominal transactions, what is important? The transaction is important, not the person. So that's why it is.
Interest received.
Now you tell me, did he said anywhere check?
No, ma'am.
So which
Cash
column?
column.
Obviously,
Cash column.
Amount entama? 140, no?
140.
Yeah. Next, goods are sold for cash. I sold goods itself. So when I'm selling it, what is coming in?
Cash is coming in.
So
Cash
cash is coming in. Receipt or a payment?
Receipt,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Receipt. So
ma'am.
it will be on the debit side. So here, what I'll
Debit
write
side.
here? Yeah. To,
Two sales.
yeah,
Sales.
to
Sales.
sales. Now, did he say check here again?
No, ma'am. Cash
No.
column.
So
Cash
obviously,
column.
which column will be affected? Cash column will be
column.
affected. Yeah, right. Next, bank collected dividends on shares. Ma, this is one more reason why I have chosen. The first reason is fifth point, which I wanted to tell. మీకు హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తే అది కొంచెం కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్గా చేసేవాళ్ళు కాదు అండ్ ఈ పాయింట్ అనమాట 18th వన్ బ్యాంక్ కలెక్టెడ్ డివిడెండ్స్ ఆన్ అ షేర్స్ అనగానే ఫస్ట్ ఇమీడియట్గా పాయింట్ ఇట్ గోస్ లైక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ ఎ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఎ ఎక్స్పెండిచర్ మా ఇట్స్ ప్యూర్లీ ఇట్స్ అన్ ఇన్కమ్ ఫర్ అస్ banker does so many activities for us. He does so many works like a agent. వాళ్ళ కస్టమర్స్ కోసం బ్యాంకర్స్ అనేవాళ్ళు దే విల్ బి యాక్టింగ్ లైక్ ఏ ఏజెంట్స్ యూ విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఈవెన్ ఇప్పటికీ కూడా జనరల్స్ వాళ్ళు బిఎఫ్ఎస్లో నేర్చుకుంటూ ఉంటారు సో బ్యాంకర్ యాక్ట్స్ లైక్ ఏజెంట్ టు దేర్ కస్టమర్స్ అనమాట సో మన పనులు కొన్ని ఫినాన్షియల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ విచ్ ఆర్ దేర్ దోస్ ఫినాన్షియల్ యాక్టివిటీస్ వి జస్ట్ హ్యాండ్ ఓవర్ టు అవర్ బ్యాంకర్. So if any payments on behalf of me they have to make, they will pay. And likewise, payments na behalf చేస్తున్నప్పుడు నాకు ఏమైనా ఇన్కమ్స్ వచ్చేది ఉంటే నా బిహాఫ్ గా కలెక్ట్ కూడా చేస్తారు కదా వాళ్ళు. So that is what the point is. Bank collected dividends on shares means నా బదులుగా on behalf of me they have collected the amount. Okay, so this is a receipt. I'll tell you once again. Like usually on an instruction customer on the instructions of the customer, the banker does so many agency like agent functions. Like he will pay on behalf of me rent, he will pay on behalf of me my insurance premium, he will pay on behalf of me my policy amount. So many things they will be doing. Likewise ఆ ప్రీమియం అమౌంట్లో నుంచి నాకు ఏదైనా ఇంట్రెస్ట్ వస్తుంది అనుకో ఎలాగో నేను ఆ బ్యాంక్ డీటెయిల్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సో డైరెక్ట్గా వాళ్ళు బ్యాంక్లో వేసేస్తారు సో ఆ అమౌంట్ యాక్చువల్ అమౌంట్ ఎవరు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తారు ఎవరు తీసుకొని వస్తారు నా బ్యాంకర్ అది అమౌంట్ కలెక్ట్ చేస్తాడు సో ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ మీ ద బ్యాంకర్ హ్యాస్ కలెక్టెడ్ డివిడెండ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ నానా డివిడెండ్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ షేర్స్ మీద వచ్చేదాన్ని డివిడెంట్ అంటాం ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అని అనం దాన్ని ఓకే అండర్స్టాండ్ సో దిస్ ఈజ్ రిసిప్ట్ ప్యూర్లీ ఇట్స్ ఎ రిసిప్ట్ నా బదులుగా బ్యాంకర్ కలెక్ట్ చేసినారు ఇంట్రెస్ట్ సో వాట్ విల్ రైట్ హియర్ టూ డివిడెండ్స్ విల్ రైట్ నౌ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈస్ వేర్ విల్ రైట్ క్యాష్ ఆర్ అ బ్యాంక్ హూ కలెక్టెడ్ ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ మీ
Bank.
సో ఆబ్వియస్లీ విచ్ కాలమ్ విల్ బి ఎఫెక్టెడ్
Bank. Bank column.
ఆ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కోసం వాడు అలా ఇస్తాడనమాట సో ఆన్ బిహాఫ్ ఆఫ్ మీ బ్యాంక్ హ్యాస్ కలెక్టెడ్ సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ ద బ్యాంక్ కాలమ్ ఓకే నౌ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద next immediate on the same day we have one more transaction purchased from Wahed for cash purchased when I purchased what is happening to the cash
Going out, ma'am.
Going out.
cash is going out so it will be on the payment side that is on the credit side. So what we are going to write? Buy. Why my cash is going? Yeah, right. Buy. Purchases. Now, did you say check, ma?
No, ma'am. Cash
So which
column.
column? Cash column.
Cash column.
Yeah. Next. Paid rent. Paid means what? Obviously. To buy.
Rent.
Rent account.
Did you say check?
Rent account.
No, ma'am.
So which column?
Cash column.
Right.
Cash column.
That's it. Now please total it. Meantime, I'll take attendance of you people. ఇవి రెండు డెబిట్ సైడ్ టోటల్స్ ఎక్కువ వస్తాయి, సో టోటల్ చేయండి. Just a second, I'll just take attendance. Once again, meantime, you just total it.
Ma'am, debit total cash 17,340, ma'am.
అక్కడ పెట్టండి నాన్న, నేను అంతలో అటెండెన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Okay.
మీ క్లాస్ ఎక్కడుందో వెతుక్కోవడానికి నాకు టైం పడుతుంది. I said to join at 1, no? So this is the class. Okay. How much is in the total, ma? It's in the 17,000. Two, 5. This is 17,340 kada?
Yes,
And bank ma?
3860, ma'am.
38.
3860, ma'am.
And this side it is 150. 17,340.
3950.
36.
Ah,
అంతే కదా? So balance breakdown చెప్పాలి. That is 31st. So I'm going to take as by balance carried down. How much, Nana?
13,390, ma'am.
Okay. And this one?
2,825.
2825 కదా? So this will come here as same year kabatti direct ga Feb 1st అనేసేసి to balance brought down 13,390. Next is 2825. That's it. Yeah. Now just a second. So అదే ఇక్కడ మనం మీకు ఓవర్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ కనుక వస్తే it will be like you people will be writing as to balance carried down if it is overdraft nana. So you will be having amount. So అది ఆపోజిట్ ఒకటి డెబిట్ బ్యాలెన్స్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ క్యారీ డౌన్ బ్రాడ్ డౌన్ ఎక్కడ వస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ by balance brought down. Someone have asked, so that's the reason I'm telling you. ఇలా ఆపోజిట్, ఒక పోస్టింగ్ డెబిట్ లో అంటే ఒక పోస్టింగ్ క్రెడిట్. ఓకేనామా? ఓవర్ డ్రాఫ్ట్ వస్తే. Now please go to the 6th problem. Just I'll brush it up fast. I'll complete it. Last 7 minutes are there. Now 6th problem. Enter the following transaction in 3. You can just take a screenshot and just see the 6th problem. Enter the following transactions in 3 column. Cash book is said 2015. Cash in hand, balance at bank.
Debit side.
Debit side. Both are favorable. So debit side. 2 balance brought down. Accounts as oka slip lo rasi pettukunnana. 2 balance brought down. Next, cash sales. I am selling goods. So what is happening to the cash?
Cash is coming in.
Yeah,
Coming-
so it
coming
will
in.
be on the debit side. Now, did he say check? No.
Ma'am, cash.
So cash.
Cash.
2
cash
sales, cash column. 2 sales, cash column.
column. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Paid into bank. Paid into bank.
Contract.
Payments.
క్వశ్చన్ రాసిన తర్వాత
Payment.
కూడా టిక్ చేసుకోండి, యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ సొల్యూషన్ లో కూడా టిక్ చేసి పెట్టుకోండి. పేడ్ ఇంటూ బ్యాంక్ ఇస్ వాట్? క్యాష్ పేడ్ ఇంటూ బ్యాంక్. సో క్యాష్ ఈస్ దేర్, బ్యాంక్ ఈస్ దేర్. సో it will be a contra. Now see, contra, why it is contra? Because paid into bank means cash is going to the bank. So entry will be cash bank account debit to cash account. So both are standing on opposite side, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So అందుకే
ma'am.
it will come as paid into bank. So అప్పుడు contra అవుతుంది. Okay. Anyhow, you just refer this transaction in the 4th problem, second one. 4th problem, second transaction. Reference kosam.
Second one.
4th problem, second date, December 2nd. Next, purchased stationery. When I'm purchasing stationery, what is happening to the cash?
Going
out.
out.
Yeah,
Going
so
out.
it will be on which side?
Payment.
Payment,
Credit
credit
side.
side. So buy, purchase rastama, buy stationery rastama. Yeah, we'll
Stationery.
write buy
Stationery.
which
Stationery.
column? He didn't mention check, so obviously it's in the
Cash column.
Cash
Cash column.
column.
cash column. Buy stationery in the cash column. Next, paid Mahesh. Paid Mahesh.
Payments.
Payment.
Payment,
So
ma'am.
paid Mahesh ante it's a payment. So it will be by Mahesh and
By-
by check annadu kabatti it's in the column
Bank
of
column.
bank column.
Bank
And
column.
discount column lo rayali. Next,
Yes,
gave a check for cash purchases. I gave a check, it seems. That means I'm making a payment or receiving. I gave a check. నేనే చెక్
Payment,
ఇచ్చాను
ma'am.
అంటే పేమెంట్ చేస్తే చెక్ ఇస్తానా?
Payments.
యా, ఇట్స్ అ పేమెంట్.
Payments.
సో ఇట్ విల్ బి ఆన్ విచ్ సైడ్? క్రెడిట్ సైడ్.
Credit side.
For what purpose it seems na? For purchases.
Yes.
So what will write? Buy purchases and you will post in the which column? Gave a check ante
Bank column.
bank column. Amount withdrawn from bank for personal. Personal anagane.
Drawings.
Yeah, personal anagane drawing. So it is the second name of the owner. So capital means I say he will get something for a business. But drawings means I say always he'll take some or the other thing out of the business. So it's a benefit or a loss for the business.
Loss.
Loss. So losses will be on the credit or debit? అంటే ఇక్కడ
Credit.
క్రెడిట్.
Credits.
మన క్యాష్ పరంగా చూసుకుంటే ఇట్స్ a credit. So what will take?
Credit.
Buy
By
drawings.
Drawings.
And which column? Bank.
Bank
Amount
column.
from bank అన్నాడు కాబట్టి bank column.
Bank
Received from Suresh a check. Received.
column. Receipt.
Receipt.
Receipt,
So
ma'am.
it will be to
Debit side.
Suresh. Yeah, debit side to Suresh, bank column.
Yes,
Okay. ఇది కూడా టిక్ పెట్టుకోండి. 20. Drew from bank. Drew from bank. So drew from bank. Drew from bank is a one more transaction. So
Contra.
this is, yeah, it is a contra.
Contra
So
entry.
cash account debit to bank account. See, cash and bank both are standing on opposite side direction, no? So that is the reason it has become what?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a contra. ఇది ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ transactions ఇవి both are standing on same side, so that's why there will be no contra. But when both stand on opposite direction, it will be a contra. Okay, these transaction you will refer from the fourth problem 12th transaction. Fourth problem 12th transaction refer చేసుకోండి ఎలా రాయాలి అని. Next, paid wages.
Payment, ma'am.
Payment.
Credit
By
side.
wages, cash
Payments.
column. Yeah, by wages, cash column. Bank returns check of Suresh dishonored. So dishonor అనగానే ఏమన్నాను? Cancellation. Dishonor అనగానే ఏంటి?
Cancellation.
So Suresh, already you have written on a debit side. Now you have to cancel by posting on the credit side.
Credit
The
side.
transaction refer
Credit side.
problem number 4, 13th and 14th transaction. 13th and 14th transaction. Next, bank charges as per passbook. Bank charges means
Payment,
what?
ma'am.
Yeah, bank charges means it's a
Payment.
charges,
Credit
expenses.
side.
Credit side by
Credit.
bank
Payment.
charges. It's a
Bank.
bank column.
Bank